This is way back in 89 जब एक्चुअली मुझे इंट्रोड्यूस किया गुलशन जी के पिताजी ने और मतलब इन टू टी सीरीज़ और सबसे पहले मैंने उनके लिए दुर्गा जी की स्तुति गाई और एक आध दो डिवोशनल मैंने गाए जिसके बाद देन फिर आई मेट गुलशन जी और उसके बाद we started doing albums, individual albums like लाल दुपट्टा मलमल का और जीना तेरी गली में जिसके ऊपर बाद में फिल्में बनी.
Tell us something about Gulshan ji, as in, even when you met him for the first time, what was so intriguing about him or attractive about him that you
See, I would say that he was a thorough businessman, and but after he started after we started doing these albums, because before that generally what he used to do is to buy the albums or buy the films and then release the music of the films. But after he started doing these albums like Lal Dupatta and Jeena Teri Gali Mein, then we recorded a lot of songs for with Nadeem Shravan, which became films like Aashiki Dil Hai Kamanta Nahi, Sadak, Saathi. His keen sense of music came to the fore, and he had a very very keen sense for music and very far sighted, I would say. And he was a rare combination of a very sharp businessman as well as a promoter of good music. Like wherever he saw talent, like with Anand Milind or Nadeem Shravan, Anu Malik ji, Adesh Srivastav, so many of them. And whenever he saw that they could, they had a lot of talent, तो बिल्कुल खुला हाथ देते थे to record as and what they wanted. So that was a very big boon, and the music directors could do exactly what they wanted in music, and that I found personally a very what I can say very rare combination, I would say.
Even as we're talking about talents, क्योंकि उन्होंने काफी लोगों को इस इंडस्ट्री में लॉन्च किया है, प्रमोट भी किया है. So what was there inside him which made him think कि हाँ, this one is going to be somebody big? Because when he introduced so many talents, that time the industry wasn't accepting as many.
Very true. That's what I'm trying to say, that he had a very keen sense of what would click. And I personally feel that comes from ये तो ईश्वर की कृपा है ही, but that was an inborn thing, and a lot of that came because he was extremely dedicated to his work, extremely dedicated. Like all the time he used to think about work. So I think that is something that came from it, because he kept on thinking about a particular project, or if it was a music director that he had to launch, so he gave his 100%. Like it was never like कि इस budget में हम ये करेंगे. It was never like that. So I think like I remember the time when he launched Aashiki, and the ads were there everywhere, including the back of washing powder also, and agarbatti also, and you name it, and the ad was there. So he never thought twice as to कि नहीं थोड़ा सा कम करे या इतना सा करे. It was never that way. So he gave his 100%. So the 100% came back to him.
Even while you must be recording, or he was, I'm sure वो वहाँ पे present भी होते थे. He was there, and so मतलब वो as a मतलब क्या कहते थे, as in even to boost your energy or even to keep you up. I mean, what are these two?
No, I wouldn't say that. I would not say that way. But like he used to listen to the song after it was completed, obviously. but knowing that whatever we are doing, like whatever we are composing or whatever I am singing, is definitely going to be brought to the people in the best possible way, that itself was an inspiration for all of us.
How is he personally, ma'am? As in, you've been with him for
Yes, he was absolutely a thoroughly dedicated person to his art, and he was extremely sensitive about his co-workers, and especially I would say he was very sensitive and very helpful to everybody who worked with him, like even the music directors and and the musicians, the recordist, I would say. And he would always tell me that you should always make sure that your recordist is absolutely happy, because only when he is completely satisfied he is going to give the best. So he handled his co-artists that way.
And where the rest.
See, personally, I feel that first and foremost came his 100% dedication to work, and to add to it, the plus points were that he owned a company. So whatever he thought that he wanted to do, he could actually make it come to life through his company, and he had his visual. So that was a very big plus point. So he didn't have to go to somebody for a visual, he didn't have to go to somebody for a record company. So generally the producers have to come to a record company and then request them to promote their songs. So ऐसा उनके साथ नहीं था. He owned it, So and today, like, publicity on a cable or publicity on these channels is very, very expensive.